3 days worth.
3,
Well, they need to eat.
4, 1, 2. You missed the funniest part when he was diving into the carpet.